Hey guys, Alex here doing a quick Decon wash with the Decon soap from Armour Detail Supply. So it's a high pH shampoo. I'm going to foam it on the car, let it sit for a few minutes in my MJJC foam cannon SV3. Gonna let it dwell for a few minutes, rinse it off, and let it know how it works. So let it take you along. So here we go. So, not the foamiest soap in the world. I may have just got the dilutions wrong, but that's okay. Main thing is that you got the soap on there and you're letting it do its job. So, I'm gonna let that sit for a few minutes and I'll give you the thoughts afterwards. Okay, so the soap's been sitting for a few minutes here. We're gonna go ahead and rinse it off. And basically it was just a lot of rain and snow and sleet that was falling on here. So we'll get all that stuff off and let you know my thoughts. So there we go, a quick wash with the Armour Detail Supply Decon soap. So overall did a pretty good job. Again, it wasn't Foam Town USA like Jamie the Cleaner, but that's okay. May have just been the dilutions, and which again is fine. You just want to get the soap on there and let it do its work. So overall did pretty good. It does have a little bit of stripping ability. I noticed in some spots it did strip. I just had Clean Maker on there as protection on there on top of the coating. So I can tell it kind of affected that a little bit, but overall did a great job of unclogging the coating in the lower areas. I noticed there's a lot more beading there now than there was before, and that's without touching the darn thing. So super cool. I definitely recommend the Decon stuff. So I mean, if you have any light protection, new car prep, that sort of thing, Decon soap is definitely worth a shot. So leave a like, consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one.